Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the epic earth zoom out effects using CapCut and Higgsfield AI. Okay, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and then create a new project and then choose your videos. Then just choose the scene where you want the zoom out effects. It can be at the beginning or the end or even in the middle. It's totally up to you. In this tutorial, I will choose this part. Now just play the full screen and then take a screenshot like this. Next, just go to your browser and then type Higgsfield, this one, and then just click on Higgsfield AI. After that, just make sure you already log in into your account and then just choose visual effects and then choose earth zoom out effects, this one. Just tap on it and then click generate and then upload the screenshot that you just took. Wait, it's not letting me upload the image right now. Wait, let me check my credit, guys. Okay, I still have 10 credits, this one, which will be enough to generate 2 videos. It looks like there's a temporary issue with the tools. Okay, so instead of generating a new clip, I will use one I made earlier for the next steps. But don't worry, I will still walk you through the process. Just go back on the page before. Okay, all you need to do is upload your photo or your screenshot in here. And then if you want to describe the scene in more details, you can type in a prompt in here. Otherwise, just click the generate and let the AI do its magics. Also, make sure the generate button is active. This generate button, it's usually yellow when ready, but mine isn't active at this time, so I will skip ahead. And then once your AI generated clip is ready, just go back to CapCut and open your previous projects and import the earth zoom out clips and then place it right after the scene where you took the screenshot. Before I took the screenshot from the middle, this one, I will split it and then I will place my clips on between the clips like this, and since I took the screenshot from the middle of the videos, so in this tutorial I'm going to duplicate the earth zoom clips and reverse the second one like this. So it will create a zoom out and zoom back in effects like this. Okay, it looks really cool. Next, you can add some sound effects that match the zoom out moment, or if you like, just apply a filter or do a bit of color grading to make the visual pop even more. And alright, that's it for today's tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.